For many years now, a key component of the Proven Winners marketing campaign is the highly successful Plants of the Year and Recipes of the Year programs. These items will be heavily featured in multiple aspects of the marketing program, help simplify the retail shopping experience, and build confidence for every gardener, whether novice, expert, or somewhere in between. It gives our grower and retailer partners 1 year advance notice and the ability to capitalize on strong consumer demand by making these items available as part of their product offerings. Let's start with the plants of the year for the 2026 season. The plants selected are easy to grow, iconic, readily available, and are perfect for containers and/or landscape gardens. The annual of the year is Safari Dusk. With the success of this program, we are adding 2 additional annual categories. The first is the Petunia of the Year, Supertunia Hoopla Vivid Orchid. The second is the Landscape Annual of the Year, Senorita Rosalita. The Caladium of the Year is Heart to Heart Chinook. The Houseplant of the Year is Endless Cascade Shining Sea Star. The Perennial of the Year is Dark Side of the Moon. The Hosta of the Year is Shadowland Hope Springs Eternal. The Landscape Perennial of the Year is Decadence Lemon Meringue. The Flowering Shrub of the Year is Double Play Dolly. The Rose of the Year is Rise Up Lilac Days. The Hydrangea of the Year is Let's Dance Lovable. The Landscape Shrub of the Year is Tater Tot. A new shrub category is the Heat-Loving Shrub of the Year, Jazz Hands Variegated. And the Tree of the Year is Showtime Crabapple. Next, let's take a look at the 2026 Recipes of the Year. Over the past 30 years, Proven Winners has led the industry in creating eye-catching container recipes that have been highly profitable for growers and retailers alike. We lead the way by giving marketing names to these recipes to allow consumers to more easily remember recipes they have purchased and have success growing in their home gardens. The Recipes of the Year go through a rigorous performance trial where they are evaluated for both grower performance as well as season-long consumer performance. We also look at consumer color trend preferences to make sure there will be strong appeal within the retail sales channel. We have 3 Recipes of the Year featuring annuals: Saffron Sunrise, Pixie Powder, and Moonlit Lavender. The Heart to Heart Caladium Recipe of the Year is Kindness. For our grower and retailer partners, the Plants of and Recipes of the Year are all items that truly need to be on your growing benches and in your garden centers, as we know gardeners will be looking for them. We've also seen demand for these items continue to grow in subsequent years as consumers continue to engage with our marketing messages. Don't miss out on this low-hanging fruit sales opportunity.